Are you looking for the best way you can fry your fish? Then you are at the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to fry this delicious and very inviting fish. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. We share easy recipes and trust me, you will love it here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. The fish that we are going to fry today is round scarred fish. In the Twi language, we call it montonchi. Okay. Usually when you buy your dry herrings or smoked herrings, the one for shito, you see some mixed with it. Okay, yes, and you can as well buy it just like that without the herrings. Okay, but it is called montonchi. So that is what we have today. It has scale, but I have removed that already. I was like, I didn't know whether I was going to record it. That's why you saw that mark on the fish. But later I decided to record this. So I'm just going to divide this into 6 and then we can proceed. You can fry this whole like that or divide it into any sizes that you want. Now that we are done with everything, you can use your scissors to cut that, but you can as well use your knife to cut it just like how you are seeing on the screen. You can as well use your chopping board and then the knife, which I'll be showing you. So just stay with me, okay? You can just cut those things, but I am not going to do it. You can remove that, but if you don't want to, trust me, that is not bitter, okay? Because that is immatured eggs. But I will show you how the one that is bitter. So this is actually immatured eggs plus the intestine, and that is very bitter. So you have to discard that, okay? You can see that is intestine. So we are going to discard that and then we proceed. You can see it's different. We proceed. Now we are going to repeat the same process and then we are good to go. This is also immatured eggs with some intestine. Now this is how we are going to clean the head. You can decide to leave the grills there, okay? Not general ube to me ma like ube to me jai atu hose and also ube chia kanam no yana ekoyi pa. So you can decide to leave it, but I will remove it and then you push it so that you can get the intestine and then the immature eggs away. With this, it is no bitter, okay? I remember growing up when we were kids, we used to enjoy that part together with the grills. So you can decide to put that in or you can decide to remove it. This is how I was trying to tell you earlier, okay? You just use your chopping board and then with the knife you can cut that part away and then you are good to go. But since it did not do anything to us when we were kids, it is not going to do anything to us today. Now I have my fish here. I have cleaned it very well, but I am going to clean it again with my lemon. So the fish and then the water you are seeing there contains lemon. We are just going to use that to wash the fish very well before we proceed. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. I'll be very happy if you like the video, you share to others, you leave me your comments in the comment section, and also please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. Now we are done cleaning everything and I'm just going to add some salt. Allow this to be in the salt water for about 10 minutes and then you are good to go. After 10 minutes I will strain it and then this is what we have. We just have dry fish, okay? We don't have any, we have a bit water around it, but trust me, not very wet. So I have my all-purpose flour ready. My oil is on fire. It is very hot. I'm just going to coat the fish with my all-purpose flour and then we start frying. You can as well fry this without the flour, okay? And you can as well sprinkle some of the flour in the oil and then you start dropping your fish. That is also a key. I have so many ways I fry my fish on this channel. You can just go ahead and go through. We are on all social media platforms. Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes is the name all over the social media platforms, okay? Now after some few minutes, this is how our fish is looking, and it looks so delicious already. We are just going to leave it on fire. We keep an eye on it and make sure it does not burn. We waited for some few minutes and now I'm coming to take care of it again, and then we are good to go. Because of the weather, you may not get the video to be uniform, okay? Maybe some parts you will see the sun, other parts you may not see the sun, so forgive me for that. That is just by the way. Now I am just going to wait for a while and I will be with you shortly. After we waited, I am checking on it again. I usually like my fish to be crispy and then well fried, okay? But if you want it like a bit wet, you can just go ahead and remove it at this point. But I just want it dry and then we are good to go. You know, that day that you don't have anyone in the house, left only you, and you want to enjoy your food, is today, Wednesday, that I'm dropping the video. I mean today. So this is how I want to enjoy it without anyone around. With my jollof rice, and it was so nice. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Take good care of yourself and know that I love you, but Jesus loves you more. I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye bye.